Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll just get lathered up and then go into shave testing a lovely French beauty. This one is a single edge safety razor. With all the benefits of a straight razor, as it's got half hollow ground blades with it. So here we have the original case, leather bound, wooden case, nice condition, and inside you can see the handle, and a spare blade here, a blade holder for sharpening the blades. So I'll just get out this is two spare blades, one here and one underneath in this little safety clip to stop you cutting your fingers. Inside is really clean. You can see the maker's name there. It's French name. Apparently it's a little town close to Dijon, but it's very clean inside. A bit of light on the subject, Graham. There we go. And it closes with a nice crisp clasp. So onto the actual razor itself. The handle is made from solid brass and unscrews, and then you can then use the handle, insert it into the blade holder, and then just strap on a normal strap. So that screws into there. There's a blade already in the holder, so we'll start off with that. As I said before, these are hollow ground, half hollow ground blades. All three have been honed to a shave ready condition, and this is the purpose of this video, to demonstrate the effectiveness. Now you can see there that this lever here, there's enough pressure on there to keep it in place. The feel of it is medium to aggressive. I would say it's non-aggressive. I think they made quite a few of these between 1880 and 1920, because other blade manufacturers made half hollow ground blades for this maker, and probably others as well. And the reason why I'm saying that is because all three blades are made for this razor but by different people. So that's just got rid of the 4-day beard. So we'll change the blade and test the other parts of the face. Goggles on for this. So to take the blade out, you can see that it's secure here, here, and held down by these two clasps here, and then retained with the pressure from this lever. So basically, all you do is open the lever and pull the blade out. Simple. You see, this is another maker. So I'll try to show this going in. So it's in position there, and then you slide it so it makes contact here and here. And then just release the spring like that, and it's solid, it's going nowhere. I'll see what this blade's like, whether it's comparable to the other one. This blade is a bit smoother than the first one. Yeah, not quite as aggressive. But it still cuts nice and smooth. As you can see, it's just gliding through these whiskers. So that's blade 2. Blade 3 is in its own little holder. I think this set would make a great travel razor, because you can just strap all the blades up and take them on holiday. And so open that, lift out the blade, and then put in the new set, third blade, like so. Push it into position, like that, and then release the spring clip. That's it. This particular blade, like the first one, is it feels quite aggressive. Not too bad here on the fleshy side, but close to the bone here. It efficiently gets rid of the whiskers, just a tad on the aggressive side. If you're familiar with the Gillette adjustable, it's about number 7 out of 9. I'm going against the grain now. It's not too bad. Gets noticeably smoother with each pass. There's no tugging. So there we have it, a beautiful little French classic. From the 1900s, or maybe as early as the 1880s. But it's a real classic, really good quality. Okay, well thanks very much for watching. And what have we got this week? I think we've got another Wilkinson. That's like a museum piece. It's really beautiful. And I think there's a French Point gold dollar, which would be interesting to see how that turns out. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you later on in the week. Bye for now.